morning students, welcome back to online classes. And already we discussed about third chapter, means public and private and global enterprises. In that we discussed about changing the public sector, joint ventures, global enterprises and private sector and public sector. What are the advantages, disadvantages? We discussed last class. Okay. Now we will start up the new chapter, means fourth chapter, business services. Business services. Business services, if you want to learn this, before that we have to know what do you mean by service. What do you mean by services? We have to know. Service. Service means it should be economic activity. Service means it should be economic activity which are intangible, and satisfaction of wants is called as a service. Service means it is an economic activity or process. Economic activity or process which are intangible. Means service we can see but we can't touch. That should be a service. Example, teaching. We can see but we can't touch the teaching. Even banking activities we can see. We can't touch. Even doctor give the treatment to the patient and we can see the treatment but we can't touch that services. In hotel services they will serve the food. We can see but we can't touch that services. Like that only. That should be a service. Okay. That should be a services. In this chapter we will learn what is service, nature of the services and types of the services. In that types, the business service is one type. In business service meaning we have to learn and even we have to learn types of business services. Types of business services we have to, what we will learn means banking we will learn. In banking, what are the types of the banks, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages we can learn. And even we will learn here communication service also we can learn. Already communication, I think all of you know everything. Communication means it is transferring the information one person to another person. That is communication. And we can learn here and insurance, life insurance, fire insurance, general insurance we can learn here. And warehousing. Warehousing means what it is? Storage. Storage in the goods and services we can learn here. Here it is. In services we can learn in this chapter banking we can learn and communication services. Communication services and transportation, warehousing, communication, transportation and warehousing, and we will learn here. And even we can learn the types of banks, commercial banks, public banks, private banks we can learn in this banking topic. Communication services means what are the communication, what are the types of the communication, and oral communication, written communication, what are the types of the communication, what are the advantages of the communication, what are the disadvantages of the communication we can learn here. And transportation means example, in factory they will produce the goods and services. From factory to wholesale shop, from factory to wholesale shop they will transport the goods from factory to the shop. Means that should be transportation. And we can learn here and how we have to transport, what is the advantages, what are the disadvantages, how we have to reduce the drawbacks of the transportations we can learn here. And even warehousing means store the goods and services safely. Okay, store the goods and services in safely. That is warehousing. Okay, banking, communication services, transportation, warehousing. This is the main topics of in this chapter. Okay, we will Okay. Now we will see what is the services, what is the nature of the services, and what are the types of the services. We will see today class. Okay. Service means it means it means economic activity. Service means it is a economic activity which are intangibility, which are intangible, and okay, satisfaction of wants or needs is called as services. It means service means it is an economic activity which are intangible. Means service we can see but we can't touch. Even we will get the satisfaction. We will get one experience, but we can't touch goods. Yes, this is also one good. Means duster. This is we can touch and we can feel. But service, example, I am teaching. Okay. I am teaching here now. We can see she is teaching, man is teaching, but we can see, but you can't touch. That is services. Okay. And what are the examples means? First one is teaching. We can see and we can feel and you can get knowledge and you can get experience. You will get satisfaction. But you can't touch the services. Even teaching, I will teach some topics. You can see and you can understand, you can gain the knowledge. But you can't touch the services. Okay? And banking and doctor activities. Doctor services, hotel also. In hotel services, we can't touch. We can touch food, but serving we can't touch that one. That should be a service. Okay, service is an economic activity which are intangible. Which are intangible means tangible means intangible means it is we cannot touch but we can feel the services. Okay, we cannot touch but we can feel and we will give experience it and even we will get satisfaction. We will get the satisfaction. Okay, this is the intangible means we can't touch but we can feel, we can see or we can see the services. Okay, this is the intangible. Satisfaction of wants. Okay, satisfaction of wants or needs. Okay, example here we will take doctor services and patient age. Otherwise we will take hotel. We want food and we will sit in hotel. We will order the food and they will give the food. Means they will give a service for us. We don't have lunch. Example, we will take lunch. Oh, I don't have lunch and I will take from hotel. I will go to the hotel. Okay, they will go to the hotel and they will order and they will have it. Means they will satisfy the needs. What is the needs and what are the wants means food. They want food, that's why they will went to the hotel. They will have the food. Okay, after having they will get the experience, satisfaction they will get. That's why they will pay the money here. Okay, that is services. Okay, and this is the meaning of the service. Next we will see what are the characteristics or features of the services or nature of the services. Okay. Nature of service or features of services. Okay, first one it is, I think everyone is know, everyone is know, service. What are the features? Already I explained here. Service means intangible. Okay, service means it is intangible. Intangible and inconsistency. Inconsistency. And third one it is inventory. Fourth one it is inseparable. Inseparable. And fourth one it is involvement. Unseparate. And this is the nature of services. Intangible, inconsistency, and inventory, and inseparate, and nature of services, intangibility, inconsistency, and less inventory, and unseparability, and involvement. And we will see one by one. Okay. Intangibility. Intangibility means, already I told, intangibility means we can see, but we can't touch. We can see, but we can't touch the services here. Services we can't touch. Example it is doctor services. Doctor services, and we can see, and we can't touch the services here. Example is doctor services here. See, doctor is treating the patient here. He is treating the patient, and the patient have some disease, and he will treat, and he will give the measures, and he will give the medicine, and he will give the medicines, and he will give the measures, and after that he will recover. When he will recover means he will get the one experience. He will get the experience. He will get the experience and satisfaction. Experience and satisfaction he will get here. Experience and satisfaction he will get. And when doctor treating the patient will get satisfaction. Patient will get experience. If they will cure that cause, example fever, and the patient have fever, and he will consult the doctor. He will consult the doctor, and they will treat. They will treat, and they will give the medicine. And after they will take the measurements, that time the fever will reduce. Otherwise, fever will reduce, or it will go. When it will go means that time they will get the one experience. They will get the experience. And they can see, but they can't touch the services here. Even they will get the satisfaction. That's why they will pay the money here. That's why they will pay the money here. intangibility means we can see but we can't touch the services. Example is doctor services, and when the doctor will treating the patient will get the experience. It means the fever will reduce means they will get, oh, now what is fever is reducing. They are treating effectively. They will treat the well. Okay, and satisfaction. When they will get the experience, automatically they will get a satisfaction. They will pay the money here. Okay, this is the tangibility explanation. Okay, intangibility. And next it is inconsistency. Inconsistency means here there is no standard. There is no standard for the services. Here there is no standard. Okay. Here there is no standard for services. Always they will give the preference to the customers based on the customer preference, based on the customer's demand. They will give the service. They will provide the service here. They will not maintain their standard here. In goods we will maintain the standard, but in service we can't maintain the standard here. Okay. Example I will tell the mobile services. What they will ask means, if some people will ask service means mobile it is hanging. Mobile it is hanging. Otherwise mobile, if it is there any mistakes, if it is there means they will ask. Someone they will ask mobile is hanging. Someone it is ask, I want this app. Some people will ask, and I don't want this mobile. Please change. Otherwise in SIM, I think you will understand. In Airtel office, they will provide the services based on the customer preference, based on the customer demands. They will satisfy. Example, they will if it is we can't take, or otherwise we can't call the other person. If it is there any network issues, means immediately they will respond and they will put their network tower they will put, and they will provide the services. Why they will provide means the main intention for that Airtel office people's, the main intention is satisfy the customers here. In goods, mobile, if you will take mobile means what it is. If you will take any mobile space, they will give the quality mobile. If I will ask, I want Apple phone, they will give, and we will pay money and we will come back. But here service. Okay, here they will service providing. What we will ask means they will provide the services here. What we will ask, based on that they will provide the services. What the customers demands, according to that they will work and they will provide the services here. Someone will ask, here it is network issues there, and someone will ask, here it is the SIM will not work. If we will go any other district means we will not get network. Like that, more complaints will come to and comes in Airtel office, and the Airtel office people will solve all the problems. Why means they have to satisfy the customers here. Okay, here there is no standard. Here there is no standard for services based on the customers. Here they will give the preference to customers. What they will demand, they will give the services. What they will ask, if it is there a network issue in Airtel SIM, if it is there a network issue means they will, in that area they will put one tower, means they are providing the services here. We can see but we can't touch, that is service. Okay, and next it is less inventory. Okay, less inventory means we can store the goods and services. Yes or no? Yes, we can store the goods and services. Pen we can store, even chalk we can store, even duster also we can store. But service we can't store here. that should be a feel and that should be on experience, that should be satisfaction. We can't store here. Okay, example I will tell. In restaurant we will order the ice cream and we will have, that is they will provide the service, means that should be service they are providing here. If I want ice cream, means if they want ice cream, means in goods type they want, means they will purchase in the store, they will take and they will have in home. Okay, but here they are providing the ice cream, means production and consumption we should not separate here. Means service they will provide, the doctor will treat the patient, we can see but we can't touch. Even we should not, even doctor they should not store the treatment, they can't store the treatment. Even teacher they can't store the teaching. When it is demand is there, means that time they will teach. When the doctor have patients, means that time they will treat, otherwise they will not treat. Okay, before that they will not prepare anything. Okay, they will prepare, otherwise they will put they have medicals, they will have medicines, but treatment they can't do here. Okay, and when it is demand is there, when the patient is there, means that time only they will treat, otherwise they will not treat here. The doctor will treat only when the patient will come, the patient will, if will ask anything, means they will reply, otherwise they will not reply. That should be a inventory, less inventory, they can't store the treatment here. Okay, here we can't store the services. Example is teaching also. Teaching and doctor, treatment. Treatment we cannot store here. We can't store. If the people will come, means they will treat, otherwise they will not treat. That should be services. Example in goods means, goods and services means they will manufacture and they will store 3-4 months, and after that they will supply to the market. Service on time, immediately they will do the work, that should be a service only. Immediately they will do all the work. Means if the patient is there, means if it is emergency case, means they will immediately treat. They will not store the treatment in. Okay, that is less inventory. Means here we can't store the services here. And next it is unseparable. Means unseparable means here we cannot separate the consumption and production. Here we cannot. We can't separate the consumption and production. We can't separate it. Example, in restaurant we will order ice cream. They will produce, that time only they will produce and they will give for us. Means that time we will have to have it. That should be consumption. If you will take, means that should be a consumption. They will produce and they will give. Okay. And if we will have, means that should be a consumption only. If we will not have, means that should be wastage. We can't separate. If we will add any ice cream in restaurant, means that should be we can't separate. Means that should be waste. If we will not add, means that should be wastage in the restaurant. That's why if we will produce, means we have to have immediately. Otherwise that should be a waste only. Okay, we can't separate the production and consumption here. Okay, and the customers will involve when the service is service delivery, means the customers will involve when the service is delivery. Okay, the involvement, the customers will involvement. Example is self service. Example is self service of food. Example it is self service of food here. Okay, involvement, the customers will involve when the service is delivery. Example it is in hotels, some hotels the facility they will give self service the food. Okay, they will pay money and they will take food, which food they want, they will serve the own already they produce. The consumption who will do is the customers will do. The customers will involve when the service is delivery. Self servicing the food in hotel. That is the main example for the involvement. Involvement means the customers will involve when the service is ready. Okay, self servicing the food means service already should be ready. Okay, when it is ready means that time they will have to take. Okay, otherwise that time they have to adapt in that time. Okay, this is the nature of services. Intangibility. Intangibility means here it is we can't touch but we can feel the services. We can see. Okay, we can't touch the services here. Okay, and here it is inconsistency. Okay, and inconsistency means here there is no standard or service. There is no standard for the services. They can only give the preference to the customers based on the customer's demand. They will give the service here. We can see but we can't touch the services here. Okay, and less inventory. Less inventory means we can't store the services. The treatment we can't store the treatment we can't store here. Even teaching also we can't store. Service we can't store here. Okay, and that should be example is teaching, treatment. Okay, and next it is unseparability. Unseparability means we can't separate the production and consumption. When the ice cream is produced means at that time only we have to have, we have to eat. Otherwise it should be waste. Means we have to do immediately work here. This is the immediately process. Service it should be always immediately processed. It is not a production and it is not a finishing the goods. It is services. On that time only present activity, economic activity. It should be immediately action. Okay, and involvement means the customers separated means involvement means the customers will involve with the service is delivery. Okay, the self service of the food in hotel, the facility they will provide. This is the nature of services. Okay. Okay, today we discussed about service and nature of the services. What do you mean service? Service means it is an economic activity which are intangible and satisfaction of wants is called as a services. And what are the features of the services means? First it is intangibility and inseparability, inconsistency, less inventory, involvement. These are all the nature of the services. Next class we will do difference between the goods and services and types of the services and business service we will see next class. Okay, thank you students for listening this session.